How to get the ring light on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. If you don't yet have the ring light feature of Snapchat, let me show you the process on how to get it. Now most people don't know that Snapchat ring feature is only available on the front camera. If you were trying on the back camera, the ring light feature won't be available. This is the back camera, and if you tap on this flashlight, you can see there is no ring light. But if I switch to front camera and tap on the flashlight, you can see the ring light feature appears. From here you can change in the color or the warmth and increase or decrease the width of the ring light. If you don't still have the feature on the front camera as well, let me show you a way that you can get it. The first thing you can try out is updating your app of Snapchat. If you have an older version of Snapchat, you won't get the ring light feature. Open up your Play Store and search for Snapchat. If there are any new updates, you can tap on update and update the app. The second thing that you can also do is tap on the Snapchat logo on the top, and if you scroll down, you should see an option of beta version. Beta versions are the latest versions of any kinds of applications which have all the latest features. Currently the beta version or the beta program is full, but by the time you're watching, if it is available, you can tap on join and join the beta version. Now even if you update your app and join the beta version and you still don't have or see the ring light feature, that means that feature is not yet available in your country or region. In that case, you won't be able to do anything and you'll need to wait out until Snapchat gives you the ring light feature in your location or in your country. That's the best you can do. And even if you report this issue to Snapchat, the problem won't be fixed as the ring light feature is not yet available to anyone in your location. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. And that's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.